everyone, today we're going to learn the colors with my favorite friend, Kristan. Time to go on to the next one. What is this color?
Red.
Say it louder. Say red.
Red.
Yeah. Kristan, what is this color?
Blue.
That's great. Wait, Kristan, you forgot to say blue louder. Say blue.
Blue.
Kristan, what is this color?
Yellow.
No, it's green. Say green.
The red, yellow.
Okay, he thinks it's yellow. Kristan, what is this color?
Pink.
He said pink. Kristan, say it louder.
What's
Say,
green?
yeah.
What's green?
Kristan, what is this color? It's beige, Kristan. Say beige.
No, one. I want.
Kristan, this is orange. Kristan, what is this color?
Black.
What is this? He said black. What is this color?
Red.
He said gray. What is this color?
Yellow.
What is this color?
Green.
It's not green. It's teal.
No.
Nice try. Oh, guys, did you know that lemonade is a color? I just did this image for you to just get it. I'm thirsty. Let me drink. What is this color?
White.
He said white. What is this color? Gold. I did the gold is famous.
Gold.
That's why I did the word.
Gold. Hello, gold.
Silver. But Silver is saying, save me! Save me! See you next time. Come on, say bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. See you on the next vid.